If you want to install WordPress on your own computer, you're going to have to download a server program. I have downloaded and installed MAMP. There's a regular version and a pro version. You probably would just need a regular version now. And when you open it up, actually right now I'm using the pro version. It doesn't really matter which one you use. But when you open this up the screen, you need to click Start, and that will start up Apache server and my SQL. Apache is used to look at PHP pages. My SQL has to do with creating a database. So I started up that. So when clicking the Start, it also automatically brings up, you see it starts Apache right now. Okay, it automatically brings up a screen like this. In your default browser, mine is for the moment Safari, but I usually use Chrome. And the information you need to know right here is in the PHP My Admin, you need to make a database. So we'll start with that. And this is for acting portfolio site. So acting portfolio. So I created that database. So we'll go back and Start. And I also downloaded WordPress, newest version, and I also downloaded a basic, it's also called basic theme that I want to use. And this comes from themify.me. They have a really good site there, a lot of good themes. And this is a theme I really want to test out. So I'll start by putting WordPress, I'll rename it, into htdocs. htdocs is the area you'll have your various folders for the installations you'll have on WordPress or other CMS software. So I'll go back here for the moment. And to check out what's inside htdocs, I need to remove this. Or what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this whole thing and open up a new tab. And then I'll remove this part. Right now I can see what's inside of this, but you probably will have it look like this in the beginning, because it first starts with index.php. It will just let you know that a virtual host was set up successfully. And I need to change this to rename it. Okay, I'm going to do a refresh now. I can see what's inside the htdocs folder. So this is the root folder, the base folder. So I want to take this WordPress theme here, unzip it. I want to call this something else because I already had a WordPress folder in here. So I'm going to call this acting and drag it in here. So inside of here we have WordPress files. If I open it up like this, double click on it, that's not going to work. You see all the PHP pages here. So we need to go into the local host here, and here's the port number. There's a specific number it uses. So I'm going to do a refresh, and there you can see the acting area. So here it just says that create a configuration file. So we're going to start by doing that to set up the WordPress installation. I have the database name. That was in PHP admin. I believe I call this acting portfolio. As you see, I have a few others as well, tested up earlier. Username, password, and host. I'm going to start page. Username is root, password is root, and localhost. So, and let's continue. Database name, I call it acting portfolio portfolio. Username is root. Password is root. It's localhost. Table prefix, if I want to install multiple WordPress installs for one database, I need to change this, but I'll just leave it as it is. Site title is my acting portfolio. Username, I'm just going to change this to acting, and then to acting page 11 dot acting page 11. So this I'm going to change later on, but that's what it is right now. My email, and allow my site to appear in search engines like Google Technorati, sure. And install WordPress. Basically what I'm doing here, I've done that once before in a tutorial. I have a more thorough tutorial on installing MAMP. Okay, we'll just press login. Acting and acting page 11 dot. And I'm going to click remember me so I don't have to put in this information all the time. Okay, so this has now been installed with the newest WordPress installation. First thing I want to do, I want to go to Appearance and Themes. And I want to install the basic theme from themify.me. So I'm just going to go to the site, and we'll go to themify.me. And here we can look at themes. And basic is very new, so you can just download it, and it's free, so you can just click download right here. I've already done this, and I have it on my desktop here. And there are different ways for me right now to install it. I can go to install themes. I can click upload, choose file, and go to my desktop and find a basic theme like this and choose it, and then just install it. I can also go into the htdocs folder and go into acting, which I just installed right now, which I'm using, WP content, themes. Here's the theme section. I'll just unzip this and drag and drop. So now I can just go into my managed themes section here, and you'll see basic theme is now available. And here it also says to update the basic theme. They make it really simple. You just click update now, and it will automatically update it from their website. So we'll do that. So it's really quick. It's already done. I'm scrolling to the bottom here. Return to Themify panel. So what we see here is the options for this theme. There's a lot of things we can do in here, and it's going to be really helpful. They have created a basic theme, and it's meant to really be customized. So I'm going to go into the theme and basic here. I'm going to start by taking a copy of the style CSS, because this file we're going to make a lot of changes to. So custom style, and this is the name it needs to be, and this will then take precedence in front of style.css. It will look here first for whatever things I've customized inside of it. So I'll open this in, and I'm actually using Smoltron here, but it doesn't really matter which text editor you're using. So here I can edit this file as I want to. So okay, we're going to stop this for now.